What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough video of Legendary Messenger CRM. This is a Chrome extension and it will turn your Messenger into an organized sales machine. So we will jump right in and show you how it works. So this is your dashboard. It's going to show you all your stats. You can track products and close deals and see your pipeline at a glance. You're also going to get your conversion rates and track all of that through each stage of your pipeline. As far as your pipeline, you can see it in two different ways. So this is the list view. So by default, this is what I like to see. I like how it shows you the stage and the tag here. So you can click these and add more or change them. And you can also change stage by clicking the stage. You can see your follow-up actions right here, and you can see the last activity date right here. Also from this list, you can click and get into an individual contact card. So from the card, you can change pipeline stages at the top. You can open in Messenger. You can add contact info, which you can also do from Messenger, and that will save at the contact level. You can add notes. You can link to a Facebook group. You can also add follow-up actions, which will book to a calendar. So here's the calendar. You can also add follow-ups from this screen. It will show you what's due, what's scheduled ahead, and how many have been followed through. So say I completed this one, I can mark it done, and it will give me my follow-through rate right here. In Messenger itself, you can kind of see how our system looks in here. So we have all of our tags and stages on this panel, and we can click to change those stages. We can also filter. So if we wanted to only see people who had replied, we can click that stage, and it will bring them up right there, and we could click and open that conversation. If we only wanted to see people who had an offer made, same deal, or any of our tags. So if we want to see all the people tagged as a Facebook page, it will bring up all that list right there. From our sidebar here, we can change pipeline stage. We can look through our scripts. We can add notes, images, which are categorized by folder. So if I wanted to insert an image, I would just click add here. If I wanted to insert a script, I could click insert and it's going to paste that in. If I wanted to add a link, I could also click to add a link. This keeps all the stuff you need to send regularly right at your fingertips. And you can also add data you get from the conversation to be stored at the contact level, as well as tags. Facebook groups. This is one I haven't seen many people building something like this out. So you can add Facebook groups here. It's going to be able to be linked to a contact. So if you met someone in a Facebook group, you can link them to that actual Facebook group. And then you'll be able to also track posts within that group if you want. So you can get the URL for the post and then quickly navigate back to that post. So this is helpful if you're trying to prospect in a Facebook group or something like that. You can quickly navigate to and from all of that stuff. With that being said, hopefully you guys are excited. I'm excited about this, using this in my own business to promote my products and services on Facebook. Organic marketing is a great way to get started for very little money. All it takes is a little bit of your time. So with that being said, can't wait to see you on the inside. We have tutorial videos you can check out here straight from the website. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support anytime you need it. That being said, stay legendary. We'll see you on the next video.